Check, fit check. Last piece.
Oh yeah.
What are we thinking? Mushroom necklace. Button-up shirt. Kind of baggy, kind of cool. Unbuttoned everything. The bone shorts. Sweat shorts. Underwear going through them. Kind of cool. I feel good.
Looking good.
Meet me at our spot. Caught a Pokemon.
It's a big fucking shell.
I know, it used to be our soap holder. Alright, this is my favorite strain ice cream cake. It's the indica stuff. So you gotta spin the Pokeball to get your freshly ground up grass type Pokemon.
Exactly.
We had a conversation actually. What would a weed Pokemon type be? And I think it would be grass fire.
I think it would be grass fire.
I think it would be grass fairy as well.
Well, it's a beautiful SoCal evening, and we're 2 days out from Riley, heading back up to Santa Cruz. How you feeling?
Gabagool.
Let's let this baby up.
We're gonna have some Hawaiian pizza after this. It's gonna be really good.
It's in the oven right now.
It's DiGiorno's. So you know it's gonna be authentic. Better than any Michelin star restaurant could ever.
Hey, but that's why we're smoking before we eat it. The trick to never having a bad supermarket frozen pizza is to always be high. And I live by that.
That's true. Oh my god. Check out the necklace. This is like a close-up. You want some of this?
Probably fucking dehydrated anyway because they turned off all the water fountains in my dorm.
Little life hack lesson number 1. To find out if you're dehydrated or not, pinch your knuckle,
Yeah.
your finger, elbow, and if it snaps back pretty slowly, you need to drink more water.
I don't know. I mean, that is pretty slow. Fuck. This is desert heat, man. We're trying to find something to watch on Hulu, so please drop your like movie and TV show recommendations for when you're high. Nothing too scary, and not really like a true crime person either.
No true crime. There's nothing wrong with people who love a good story about like
A thriller.
a thriller, but if it's trying to glamorize a literal serial killer, then it can't smoke with us. I came out here, I was originally like a classic wake and bake, but then I just like got so caught up in the noises of the birds. And it's like nature sounds are all around us. Like how many times have you seen like birds flying? Like this hummingbird right here.
There's a hummingbird?
Yeah.
Where? Fuck! I really want to capture this. Can you guys see that? Growing up in California, you like get used to seeing hummingbirds a lot or something, but as an East Coast pirate, I still get really excited when I see them because they're like They're so little and like they fly so fast and they're so pretty.
Are they not on the West Coast?
The West Coast? They're on the East Coast, but like I just feel like there's like more, they're just more common here or something. There might be more kinds of plants they like. We should go on a little mini nature walk around right now. Riley just got these pants at the thrift store and cut them into these cute ass shorts. It's like a vibe. Like you're a newsboy slash a goblin slash a little like Scottish boy.
Exactly.
This is Mac. This is Gumi's new brother. Oh, you're gonna glue them?
Yeah. Just to permanently like keep them like this. I think these used to belong to like an old man who like died or something.
Well, let's see what brand they're from. Cause that'll tell us a lot.
You know, it'd be awesome if we find out that this is very expensive.
Steve Harvey, Celebrity Edition.
Steve Harvey?
100% rayon.
Is Steve Harvey the
Wait, what the
Family
fuck?
Feud guy?
Yeah. You were wearing Steve Harvey's line of pants.
That goes hard.
That's better than designer, honestly.
The Family Feud pants. What the fuck? It's very important. See, this is the hot dog, this is the mayonnaise. You gotta fold it over once. Press. There you go. Mayonnaise on pants. Cat.
Could not find the oven mitts. Masterful.
Finish!
All right, we're out in the great outdoors, about to go on a little nature walk in our own neighborhood. The sun is setting, and I think there's a lot more out here in this little suburban apartment complex than you might initially expect. There's plenty of domesticated wolves.
There's zebras out here.
Ooh, I see the moon.
Lions.
What are these trees? Do we know?
Cedars.
I'd say there's some sort of pine. I'll try to find out. I love how the bark is stacked. It's like pages of a book. There's so many different layers.
It looks like a topography of a map.
Yeah, truly. It's like canyons.
It is a canyon because these ants formed a path.
Where did they come from? Where will they go?
They're carrying like sap or something.
The mountains are really pretty over there. I want to get a good shot, please. Will you do the honors? Thank you. Right, hold steady now. Okay. Ooh, hope that was worth it. It was kind of shaky. Oh, there's a domesticated wolf now. Hello. Kitty, kitty. Hi.
Cute shot.
Oh shit. Hi. They are truly the best. It's like Smitty with 2 eyes. It's pomegranate trees. It's amazing. I'm constantly amazed by the fruit just growing everywhere in California and Oregon. I think it's the whole West Coast. So what do you say? Are you coming with us on our adventure? Sprite! Her name's Sprite. Come on, Sprite.
It's Sprite's world and we're just living in it.
That could be the next 9/11.
That really could. What did it hit?
You know,
Careful.
Amazon warehouse, hopefully.
Big Bear. No. An empty Amazon warehouse.
One where all the workers have gone home for the day, except Jeff Bezos has come to check in.
Jeff Bezos
just make
came
do quality
in,
control.
just like-
He bet he's the only one there.
Huzzah! I have arrived.
Hawaiian. Ooh, it's stinky.
I feel like it's always nice to just break the fourth wall and just explore.
Like when I smoke and then go out, even for just a short excursion, it always turns into an adventure. And like everything is so cool, and I'm like admire and appreciate the beauty more. So y'all, this is the cat we were talking about, Smitty. Smitty! That is such a good point. She has 1 eye, and she is dope as fuck. She's a pirate cat, and she rules the roost. Yummy. Go, Goomy! So if you're wondering what Goomy's been up to, he's been adjusting to life in a new place with a new cat. Alright, y'all. We're back inside. Give me a little sweetie pie. And hear this man purring.
He's kneading too.